After our last video on policy porting, many of you asked about policy migration and how it differs from porting. Today we are going to break down both concepts and help you understand exactly when to choose which option. Hi folks, I'm Shashank and you're watching Ditto Insurance. We are an insurance advisory platform, and if you're looking for quality and free health insurance and term life insurance advice, then quickly book a free chat with us with the link in the description. Now, let's start with the basics. And I mean crystal clear definitions that'll help you understand everything that follows. Policy migration is when you switch from one health insurance plan to another while staying with the same insurance company. Think of it as an internal upgrade or change. For example, you might migrate from basic plan to a premium plan with better coverage, all within the same insurance company. Porting, on the other hand, is when you switch your entire policy from one insurance company to another, like switching your SIM from Airtel to Jio. The key here is that you get to keep your accumulated benefits. Yes, those waiting periods you've already served stay intact. Now, let's break down the crucial difference between porting and migration. First, let's talk timing. With porting, you can only make the switch during policy renewal, and you need to give your insurer advance notice, typically 45 to 60 days before renewal. Migration is more flexible. Most insurers allow you to migrate plans at any time during your policy period. Second, let's discuss documentation. Porting requires significant paperwork. You'll need to fill out portability forms, provide KYC documents, submit your existing policy details, and share your complete claims history. Migration, much simpler. Since you're staying with the same insurer, they already know you, so they have all your information. Third, let's take a look at the premiums. When you port, your new insurer will assess your risk profile and set premiums accordingly. With migration, while premiums might change based on your new plan's features, they usually stay relatively similar since you're with the same insurer. Now, the big question: when should you port and when should you migrate? Choose porting when you're unhappy with your current insurer service, you found another insurer with better claim settlement ratios, you want access to a broader hospital network, or you found significantly better coverage options with another insurer. Choose migration when you're satisfied with your current insurance company, but you need different features and want to avoid the hassle of changing insurers. You also want a quicker, simpler process with less documentation, and you're looking to upgrade or modify your coverage within the same company. And finally, you're moving from a group policy to an individual policy within the same insurer. Now, here's something crucial to understand. Both options protect your continuity benefits. This means your waiting periods for pre-existing conditions and any no-claim bonuses that you have accumulated won't go to waste. However, always read the fine print of your new policy, whether you're porting or migrating. Now, let's address some questions that you guys have already asked us. Will my premium definitely increase if I port or migrate? Not necessarily. With porting, it depends on the new insurer's assessment. With migration, it primarily depends on the features of your new plan. Next, can I change my sum insured during porting or migration? Yes, you can. But remember, for a higher sum insured, you might need to undergo medical tests, especially when porting. What happens to my ongoing treatment if I port or migrate? Now, your coverage continues seamlessly, but make sure to disclose any ongoing treatments during application process. So folks, here's the bottom line. Both porting and migration are valuable tools that give you flexibility with your health insurance coverage. If you're unhappy with your insurer's service or find better option elsewhere, porting might be your best bet. If you're looking for different features but are satisfied with your current insurer, migration is probably the best way to go. Remember, the goal is to have the best possible health coverage for your needs. Don't stick with a plan that's not serving you well just because change seems daunting. Whether you choose to port or migrate, the important thing is to make an informed decision based on your specific needs and circumstances. If you found this explanation helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more clear, practical insurance advice. Drop your specific questions in the comments below and we will answer them in the next video. Until next time, folks, happy insurance hunting!